Hey there YouTubers, so we are back and I've been busy with work, so I haven't been able to make videos for you guys, but I have more products coming out for you guys. We're gonna be doing another unboxing video of a product that I just got recently. This is a keyboard for editing, especially for editing. So stay tuned for that, keep watching, and let's get into it. Alright guys, so I got this keyboard, the Loupedeck, a new editing keyboard that I got for myself. Think it's worth it. The buttons are fine to me. I don't see a big deal, and it just feels like if you're a DJ, I guess. If you guys are new to my channel, thanks for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate that. This is the Loupedeck keyboard. Look at those buttons right here. You see that? Yeah, what am I gonna be doing? Finger dancing, right? I'm gonna be doing a lot of finger dancing, and it's gonna be awesome, guys. I can't wait to do this and they put this video just because I wanna use the keyboard. So that's why I'm gonna be doing that. I wanna use the keyboard to edit this video. I'm anxious and I've been waiting for a while. Once I try it out and I test it for myself, I will be making another video doing a review on the keyboard. I'm doing this for myself and I just enjoy making videos, and why not? Now everything's in the market and you can make whatever you want. Everything's in your hand, and this is the time to do things like this. So stay tuned, and stay tuned for my next video. Keep watching, and I'll see you in the next video.